Hello, myself Yogesh Parekh. I have done my BTech in 2012 and I was a part of it in SPS 45 batch. Right now I am working with the XLT software just because of the seed. Actually, I consult with my seniors. They also done the course from the seed Infotech. They were placed in the best company like some of my colleagues are working in the Gensar Technology and Tech Mahindra also. So I take the help from them, I take the advice from them. They give me the suggestion to do the seed Infotech. And while joining in the seed Infotech, I also feel proud that I am the part of the seed. If talking about the faculty, I think the seed provides best faculty. They give the proper knowledge. A part of the knowledge, they are also very supportive. And you can ask anything from the faculty, not even the training period. They also help you after the training period. If you call them personally, they will support you. You find the knowledge. If you want to ask something knowledge from the training, they are available for every time, 24 hours. Some of my faculties are very friendly. They support me and they give basically the knowledge how to crack the interview. If talking about the lab session, then lab session are very good. What was the infrastructure and talking about the software and the hardware was very good. A part of that, they give the facility to work on the lab anytime. You can enter the lab anytime and do your practice. So they give the proper arrangement for doing the lab. I think if we are talking about the placement, then the best part of the seed is giving the opportunity, not the single one. They give the opportunity, a lot of opportunity. If you are not able to crack the interview first time, they will give you the chance to crack another interview. So if we are talking about the interview, the best part of it is providing the interview. Training material, I think if we are the training material of the seed is the best because if you go outside the market for searching books for any particular technology, you find difficulty to whatever the book you have taken. But in the material of seed, it gives the proper knowledge and the best, easily effective knowledge in the lab, in the seed. I think seed provides the best knowledge. A part of best knowledge, they have provided the communication skill practice. They told you, they help you to be how to remain in the organization, how to exit in the organization. Not they give only the knowledge to learn. They also give the knowledge to how to establish in the organization and how to grow in the organization.